Start by selecting the cell where you want the result to appear, then click the FX button in the formula bar and search for X lookup, then click OK to open the function window. Begin by choosing the lookup value, which is the item or data point you want Excel to find. This could be anything in your dataset, such as a name, ID, code, or any value that needs to be matched. Next, select the lookup array, which is the range where Excel will search for that value. Make sure to press F4 to fix the array, so it does not change when you copy or drag the formula to other cells, which is especially important when working with large datasets or when applying the formula across multiple rows or columns. After that, select the return array, which is the range containing the information you want Excel to bring back once it finds a match, and press F4 again to lock it in place. In the If Not Found field, you can type any message you like, such as Not Found, It Doesn't Exist, or leave it blank if you prefer a cleaner look. Click OK, and the result will appear in the cell you initially selected. You can now drag the formula down to apply it to other rows or drag it across to apply it to multiple columns, depending on how your data is organized. X lookup is extremely flexible and works for both vertical and horizontal data. When working with horizontal data, the lookup array becomes a row instead of a column, and the return array is another row on the same horizontal line. The function can search in either direction, left to right or right to left, without the limitations of VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. This makes it very useful when your datasets are not organized strictly in columns or rows. Another powerful feature of X lookup is its ability to return multiple consecutive values at once. If the return array includes two or more adjacent columns, Excel will automatically spill the results into the neighboring cells, which is very convenient when you need to retrieve multiple pieces of information simultaneously, such as multiple attributes or details related to a single lookup value. As a best practice, always ensure your lookup and return arrays are fixed using F4, and make sure your lookup array does not contain duplicates unless that is intentional, because duplicates can affect the accuracy of your results. You can also combine X lookup with other Excel functions, such as sum, if, or text functions, to create more advanced formulas for calculations, conditional formatting, reporting, or dashboards. X lookup is also dynamic, so when you edit your data, it automatically updates the results without needing to re-enter the formula. It is generally faster and more efficient than older lookup methods, and it reduces errors, especially in large or complex spreadsheets. Additionally, X lookup can handle both numbers and text seamlessly, making it extremely versatile across different types of data. It is also helpful to keep in mind that proper data organization will improve performance, so arranging your lookup and return arrays in clear, consistent rows or columns will make your X lookup formulas easier to read and maintain. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future Excel tutorials, tips, and tricks that will help you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently in Excel.